What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be upgrading the brake system on my 2015 Honda Accord over here. So this is what the brakes look like. This is gonna be the factory OEM brakes. This is what they look like right now. I'm gonna be changing the rotors. So this right here are the rotors that I'm gonna be installing. As you can see, they are a little bit different. You can see them right there. So this video is not gonna be a tutorial, since I know there is already like way too many out there. But I just thought I should make a video showing you what my brakes look like right now, and then what they look afterward, so you guys can see if it is a good idea upgrading them or not. I'm also gonna be reviewing the rotors and pads that I bought, so you guys know how good they are, and next time you want to change your brake pads or even your rotors, you know where to buy them from. So this set right here was about $250. It comes with the front rotors and the rear. This one right here are the rear. It also comes with the brake pads. As you can see, comes with like a little grease. And like I said, it was about, I think it was about 250. So in my opinion, it's a really good choice, since you already have to change your brake rotors and pads when you reach certain amount of miles. This would be a really good idea, so you can upgrade and get like a better looking rotors and pads. I'm gonna be linking all the products down below in the description in case you guys want to buy it. Like I said before, this is not a tutorial, since there is already way too many out there, and like I don't want to make another one and make a video that looks exactly the same as other people have done before. So this is just to show you guys what they look before and after. Alright, so I just finished replacing the rotors and the brake pads on my cord. I also ended up replacing this caliper since it was giving me some problems. But as you can see right now, it looks better than before, at least in my opinion. But I have to say, the brake power didn't change drastically. At most, it improved by a little bit, but it might be just because I'm right now running new brake pads. So to be honest, it might not be worth it to replace the rotors and the pads if you're just looking for more brake power. But if you're already replacing your rotors, well, then you might as well go ahead and replace them with these ones. They look amazing, as I said before, as you can see right here. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. As I said before, I'm going to be linking down the rotors and the pads that I bought. The calipers, I didn't buy them from the same place, so there is no link for that. I just bought them from, well, you can find them in AutoZone or you can find them in Auto Parts. That's where I ended up buying them. It took me a little bit in some phone calls to find the brake calipers, the front brake calipers. Like always, I'm going to be looking at the comments and reply as soon as I can. So if you need any help, just comment down below. And if you guys like the video, give it a like, please. Also comment, what do you guys think? Do you like the new brake rotors? And yeah, I guess that is it for the video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.